Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and taking proper care of yourselves. So today we'll start our next new important topic, which is liberty. Liberty is the most important right because without liberty or freedom no right can exist. The term liberty means freedom. Freedom can be understood in different ways. That is, freedom of speech, freedom to move, freedom to practice profession of one choice, freedom to practice and propagate religion of one's choice. In short, freedom means absence of any kind of restrictions where a person can do whatever he or she wishes to without any hindrances. In order to understand freedom in a better way, we can take some other examples like desire of bird in a cage to fly in the open air, desire of the prisoner to set himself free from the prison and lead a free life, desire of patient to go home who is admitted long time in a hospital for treatment. Freedom also implies non interference in one's life in any form, word, or action. So, we can say liberty has different meanings to different people. The term liberty is derived from the Latin word liber, which means absence of restraints. In other words, liberty implies freedom to act without being subject to any restraint. Liberty signify a power or capacity of doing or enjoying something worth doing or enjoying. The word liberty stands derived from the Latin word liber, which means free. In this sense, liberty means freedom from restraint and the freedom to act as one like. Freedom from all restraint is also called negative liberty. And in a civil society, no person can be really permitted to act without restraint. Positive aspect of liberty demands absence of restraint, which are held to be irrational. Definition by George Douglas Howard Cole: liberty is the freedom of individual to express without external hindrances his personality. The main points are express oneself and no external hindrances. Let's discuss the differences between liberty and freedom. Liberty is the power to act and express oneself according to one's will, while freedom is the power to decide one's action. Freedom is a more concrete concept than liberty, which is more associated with an individual's connection with the state rather than with other individuals and circumstances. Liberty comes from the Latin word libertatum, which means condition of a free man, while freedom comes from the English word freedom, which means state of free will. Although an individual has freedom or liberty, he must still conform to what is morally right and ethical. John Locke, in his social contract theory, talks about natural right and three types of freedom: life, liberty, and property. But his emphasis was on right to property. American Constitution makers, highly influenced by John Locke, Jefferson, and Madison. Jefferson gives three types of liberty, which are right to life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. One more thinker from Britain, J.S. Mill, has explained about liberty in his book on liberty, advocated freedom expression. Liberals believe that individuals are free on their body and mind. Let us take the following sentence as an example. I am at liberty to learn how to drive a car. To begin with, it means there are no hindrances to your decision. Nobody physically stops you from learning how to drive a car. Second, the existence conditions for learning how to drive a car are available and accessible. So, you would have to have access to a car. A person who is willing to teach you how to drive street where it is safe for you to drive or practice driving, etc. Third, and in a certain sense, this precedes the first two. You have a choice to learn how to drive a car. So, the concept of liberty carries three connotations. First, the notion of choice. Second, the absence of constraint to make and exercise such a choice. And last, the existence conditions that enable you to evaluate the choice. So, liberty as a concept has been viewed variously by thinkers in various stages of the history of political thought. Let us understand the view of the various thinkers and see to what extent each of them mirror the three connotations of liberty: choice, absence of constraint, and existence condition. Liberty and the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution discusses liberty in part 3rd of the document under fundamental rights. These rights are primarily in the form of negative injunctions rather than positive directions to the state. Liberty as a principle is protected not just by the right to freedom and the right to personal liberty, but also by the directive principles of state policy. Liberty may denote multiple meanings. Isaiah Berlin categorized negative and positive liberty. Negative liberty by Isaiah Berlin. What is the area within which the subject, a person or a group of persons, is or should be left to do or be what he is able to do or be without interference by other persons? How wide the area should be and what should it contain are debatable. Leaves out natural constraint and incapacities. Distinguishes political freedom from social justice and economic freedom. No direct link between democracy and liberty. But negative liberty criticized on these grounds: meaningless for people lacking basic necessities of life. No equality of liberty. Minority who possess it have gained it by exploiting or at least averting their gaze from the vast majority who do not. But it is also supported on better guarantee against the danger of paternalism and authoritarianism, compatible with plurality of goals and values, absence of constraints, obstruction, interference, coercion on anyone's will to act. Consider man as rational, reasoned, knowing his interest best, and able to make informed choices. Nature, purpose, and content of choices don't matter unless they harm others. Opportunity concept of freedom, that is, freedom from, evolved during 17th century Reformation movement closely associated with liberalism. Liberty as natural right, inviolable, that is, preference of society or state, limits authority of state. Championed by Hobbes, Locke, Mill, and furthered by libertarians Hayek and Nozick. While, other hand, positive liberty is Shah-Berlin concept. What or who is the source of control that can determine someone to do? Or B, this rather than that? By whom am I ruled? Am I master of my will or desire? Self-mastery, self-control, self-direction, self-realization. Positive liberty divide self, which are higher self and lower self. Higher self is rational, authentic, or virtuous, that is, true self. Lower self is irrational, impulsive, lustful, empirical beliefs and desire. Extension of individual self as represented by collectives, that is, organic social whole. To fulfill the interest of this whole, the individuals may be rightfully forced to act in a certain way. Consider man both as rational, authentic, virtuous, and irrational. Impulsive, lustful, with preference for the former. Purpose and content of actions should be rational and virtuous. Positive liberty concept as old as human civilization. It promotes community life. Freedom is participation in collective activity and obeying law reflecting general will or society. Supported by Rousseau, Hegel, Marx, T.H. Green, Amartya Sen, etc. Just take an example of negative liberty. Example of negative liberty. A bird in a cage. सपोज कीजिए कि एक बर्ड है जो कि केज में बंद है, एक पिंजरे में बंद है, और वह जो बर्ड है वह उड़ना चाहता है. ऑब्वियसली बर्ड उड़ सकता है, पर वह पिंजरे में बंद है फिलहाल और वह उड़ना चाहता है, लेकिन वह उड़ नहीं सकता. क्योंकि उसके पास जो नेगेटिव लिबर्टी नहीं है उड़ने की. उसके पास कैपेसिटी तो है, एबिलिटी तो है उड़ने की, लेकिन वह एक केज में बंद है, उसके ऊपर हिंड्रेंसेस लगाए हुए हैं, ऑब्स्टैकल है, तो वह उड़ नहीं सकता. सो यहाँ पर हम कहेंगे कि लैक ऑफ नेगेटिव लिबर्टी टू फ्लाई. ऑन द अदर हैंड, द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पॉजिटिव लिबर्टी. A penguin. एक पेंगुइन जो कि उड़ना चाहता है, पर वह उड़ने में असमर्थ है, वह उड़ नहीं सकता क्योंकि उसके पास कैपेसिटी नहीं है उड़ने की, उसके पास एबिलिटी नहीं है उड़ने की. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा, लैक ऑफ पॉजिटिव लिबर्टी टू फ्लाई. एट लास्ट डिस्कस नेगेटिव वर्सेस पॉजिटिव लिबर्टी. नेगेटिव लिबर्टी एंड पॉजिटिव लिबर्टी. नेगेटिव लिबर्टी, it is freedom from constraint, restraint, while positive liberty is freedom to form choices and act. Negative liberty, over what domain, area am I free, while positive liberty, who controls what I be or do. Negative liberty is personal liberty, while positive liberty is self-mastery, self-realization. Negative liberty is opportunity concept, while positive liberty is exercise concept. Negative liberty, man as rational, reasoned, self-interested, while positive liberty, divided self, higher self versus lower self. Negative liberty limits state authority, while positive liberty allow more authority to state. Negative liberty value neutral, non-judgmental, while positive liberty value preferences judgmental. Negative liberty avoid authoritarian, while positive liberty paternalism and authoritarianism. At last, conclusion of this concept is liberty. Multiple meanings of liberty. Essentially contested concept. Negative liberty, absence of constraint, non-interference. Positive liberty, self-control, self-realization, collective actions to remove constraint, help one to realize one's goal. Negative liberty, individualistic approach, limits state authority. Positive liberty, collective approach, allow greater state authority. Differing interpretations of liberty defined individuals' relation to society/state. Different political ideologies and political arrangements. So, thank you. Stay home, stay indoors, stay safe. Please like, comments and subscribe our channel. Thank you.